Come test drive the 2018 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, remote vehicle start. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.